Welcome to round 2 of Paper Aces, a knockout distance competition featuring 16 incredible paper airplanes. In today's matchup, we have two absolutely incredible jets that have wonderful distance potential as well. It's Durandal versus Silk Shark. To get to round 2, Durandal beat out Stratus with a score of 4-1, while Silk Shark absolutely dominated Pegasus with a score of 5-0. Who will win this matchup though is anyone's guess, so let's see these planes in action. 3, 2, 1. Go! While Silk Shark actually improved on its performance from round 1, Durandal was just too much for its competitor, coming out with a score of 3-2. Truly, these two planes are a wonderfully competitive match, but I think we have the right winner given that Durandal has been more consistent not only in this matchup, but throughout the tournament. With this result, Silk Shark is eliminated from the tournament, and Durandal will advance to the semifinals to face off against the winner of Alkanost and Rival 3. If you'd like to learn how to fold Silk Shark or Durandal, just click on those videos on the left side of your screen. And if you'd like to see the next video in this series, click on that video on the right. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next race.